How to cook crispy chili beef. Before we get started, please smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more delicious food videos. So let's get started. Slice the steaks into thin strips and place into a small bowl. Add the cornflour, 5 spice, salt, and pepper, mix until evenly coated. Carefully heat the oil in a deep saucepan until it reaches 190 degrees Celsius, 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the beef strips into the oil and fry for about 4 to 5 minutes, until golden brown. Place on some tissue to soak up the excess oil and set it aside. Meanwhile, prepare the sauce by adding a tablespoon of oil to a frying pan, frying the chilies, spring onion, and ginger over a medium heat for a few minutes. Add garlic paste and fry for another minute. Stir in the soy sauce, sweet chili sauce, red wine vinegar, and tomato ketchup until thick. Stir in the beef steaks until evenly coated. Garnish with spring onion and red chilies. Serve and enjoy. Now you can easily make and enjoy your favorite foods to the next level with this simple recipe for crispy chili beef. And that's for today's video. See you on the next one. Thank you for watching.